Where do you keep your special K, Navid?
Wullie MacIntosh, you're dead. You're dead.
No, I'm no.
Aye, you are. Everyone was at your funeral yesterday.
Navid, I'm no deed. I was in the hospital. But I'm no deed.
Aye, sir.
Aye.
Sure he's dead.
We buried you yesterday, Wullie. I was so sorry to hear of your passing, but you've got to move on. You can't wander about amongst the living. Your place is in the spirit world now. Go for here and rest.
It's not rest I'm needing, Isa. It's a box of special K.
Aye, sir. Give dead Willie his box of special K.
For the last time, I'm no deed. Look, can a deed guy do this? Can he?
All right, I believe you.
Oh, Wullie. I've got that painting.
Oh, Jesus.
What?
Wullie MacIntosh.
Oh, hello there, Willie. How are you?
Lads.
I hear you're no deed.
Aye.
Smashing. You must be chuffed, eh, Wullie? Back for the deed.
Well, who's was tan? This is my postie seen who done it.
What a postie seen this.
Good news.
Get this. It was 4 old guys.
Oh, guys, this Robin, eh?
Took the lot. Can't even make myself a wee slice of toast in the morning.
It's too bad, eh?
Aye, well, we can't have that. Can we, Jack?
Hey?
Here, Wullie. Oh. Take a line of this, yin. It's a 4-slicer.
Oh, no, couldn't he?
Don't be daft.
Wire in.
Well, I'll take a wee load of it.
Right, Wullie, grab the mic and give us a question.
What did Mary Curry discover?
Marie Curie. Radio.
Let's just see, shall we? Wake me up before you go. No, that's not right.
Thanks, Wullie. We'll let you know, eh?
But I can do better.
Thanks, Wullie.
Oh, I was a wee bit nervous.
I know.